Here we have a 2016 Audi S3 Saloon in stock and ready for sale. What makes this car special is its factory specification and its condition. This Audi S3 comes with a number of factory optional extras, including the technology package that features this 12.3-inch virtual cockpit display, and you also get the bigger screen and center console with the little touch sensitive circular dial in the middle here. This package also features a smartphone integration which gives you access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This package is hard to come by on these Audi S3s. But it doesn't just stop there. This Audi S3 also comes with the Audi phone box, the parking system plus, the red brake calipers, the privacy glass and the magnetic ride control, which was a standard feature on these S3 Saloons. This S3 has completed our meticulous detailing preparation process, and its condition only represents a small fraction of the 49,000 miles it has covered. So if you want to find out a bit more information about it, we recommend heading over to our website or giving us a quick call.